about this. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I change my appearance in about an hour or so. Like, it doesn't take that long to go from like this to like, you know. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that in about a 5-minute video, you know. So yeah, if you're interested in this, then just keep on watching. Don't forget the like button so I know that you like videos like this, and comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Kamiyah Queen, and add me on Snapchat at Kamiyah_1. Let's just get right into it. For starters, I'm just gonna go get in the shower. I'm gonna get into this daggone head because it's not looking nice. Look dry. We don't do dry. This water got like conditioner in it too. I'm just gonna spray it. I don't want to drench my hair. I just want to get it enough to like dampen my hair. You know what I'm saying? Righty-dighty. So now, it's like no, but we taking some of this. Got the bead. Okay guys, so now that my hair is out the way, I'm gonna change my outfit to day. Okay. So this is what we got going on right now. We gotta do one more thing. This is the mascara that I use. Honey, look at that. I go low. 360 turnaround or what? You better know. It's like, no, but yeah. So that was a success for me. So I mean, like, look at me. It's a cat. So if you like videos like this one, don't forget that like button. Hit it right now. Like it right now. Comment down what you want to see in a future video right now. Subscribe to my channel right now. Follow me on Instagram at Kamiyah Queen right now. And add me on Snapchat right now. And my Snapchat is Kamiyah_1. Instagram is Kamiyah Queen. Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep saying it until you do it. Do it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.